Ideas for toddlers tiffin box. Today is Monday, and as per the school rules, I should give fruits or vegetables on a Monday. So I decided to give him fruits because that's something which I'm like assured that he will surely eat it. But if I give him vegetables, it depends on his mood. If he feels like, he might eat it, but most likely he will not eat that. So without taking risk, I thought it would be better to give fruits. So every like Sunday or Saturday, I make sure that I bring 2 3 different types of fruits so that I can give it on Monday. So from school, basically they have given a schedule that on Monday you need to give this, Tuesday this, and on Friday it is like depending on choice of parents, we can give anything. So today I packed some papaya for him, and also there is watermelon that he absolutely loves. So if I give him fruits, I'm assured that okay, something he will eat, because they will stay in school for around I think 3 hours or something, from 9:30 to 12:30. So it's better if they eat something, because morning he will hardly eat anything. He will simply go like that. Whatever he eats in tiffin, that's what is mostly like his first meal. So over here I have some more papaya. I actually bought like 5 papayas, I think 3 big ones and one medium, one small one, because one person came near our house to sell papaya, and he was offering it at a good price. Also some of them were raw, so I could keep it for a few days. And papaya is something which is like good for health also, right? So here is his tiffin box that I recently ordered from Amazon. This one is stainless steel. Otherwise, I was using a plastic one. So I decided to change it. So here I am giving papaya, watermelon, then some mango and banana. That's all for today.